Good day, everyone, and welcome to another 3 Minute Thursday. My name is Chris Ivan, and today we will take a look at how to use SolidWorks standalone licenses on multiple computers. This new activation functionality is available starting with SolidWorks 2018 Service Pack 2 and newer. By the way, to use this system, the serial number has to be on active subscription. Now, lots of us have a work machine and a home machine, or a desktop and a travel laptop. Since only one machine can be activated at a time, the standard way to move between machines has been deactivating one computer and activating the other one. So, what happens when I leave work in a hurry, get home planning to finish a project, and I forgot to deactivate my work machine? By using an online activation, I can log in on another machine very easily. I will go through the setup steps next. To start, I will need to deactivate all active machines which use this serial number. Now, each SolidWorks customer has an administrator who manages the SolidWorks assets of the company. If you don't know your administrator, go into the admin portal, as I am about to do in a moment, will tell you. This administrator needs to do two things: change the license to online licensing and then assign it to the user. I am my company's administrator, so I will walk through the process. To start, I will go to my.solidworks.com and log in. I will use the same login credentials as the SolidWorks customer portal. If you don't have one set up, you can create one at this time. Under the admin portal, I see all my company's SolidWorks assets. I select the license I want to use and change it to online licensing. Here, I can also reverse the process if needed, setting it back to machine activation. After that, I will assign the license to myself. This ends the administrator's part of the conversion of a standalone license to online activation. Next comes the user's part. On each of the machines I plan to use online activation, I will modify the installation to use the login system. From the control panel, I launch the installation manager and log in. This will tell me that I have a license assigned to me. Then I follow the steps of the installation manager wizard and complete the conversion. Done. Now I can launch SolidWorks, log in, and use it. If I need to take this machine offline to a customer site or anywhere without internet, I can take the license offline. Then I can return it. Otherwise, when I go home tonight, I can repeat this process and log in there without having to do any changes to my work computer. I hope this was useful. Thank you for your time and for watching TPM's 3 Minute Thursday.